Hey friends, if you wish to know what the dollar get current folder is and whether it's safe to delete or not, then please watch this video. So by default, the dollar get current is a folder that is created in the root directory of the C drive after upgrading to Windows. It contains the logs of the Windows update. So if you need to know the logs of the Windows update, then you may keep it. If you don't want to know them, then you can delete it. It is as simple as that. Now, since I don't usually need it, I usually delete it. The command is, I'll share the command with you in the description section of the video. All you need to do is search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste this command here and hit enter. Now it doesn't find it in my system because I don't have this folder, but if you have it, it will be deleted. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.